Yo, people, I'm back again with another. Well, this one's not for for Voxel or my listing. This one's actually for WordPress in general. Back again with another CODICTS plugin. So we are looking at today. We're looking at Google Reviews Feed Pro. Now, you may have seen we made one of these before in the past for my listing theme. Now, this one here is for all WordPress websites. And actually, later on, we will update this one to also work with my listing and replace the my listing one. So we've just got one that we will focus on. And this will be it, the Google Reviews Feed Pro. So today, I'm just going to keep this video as short as I can and simple. This one is just going to be for how to use this plugin for a single business like CODICTS, for instance. We're going to be looking at how to use this for a single business like CODICTS. I will make another video for you Voxel users that will be uploaded next. So, as you can see, scroll down on our site. Here it is down the bottom here. So, these are the Google reviews. We are currently using the Outscraper option, which allows us to pull more than 5 reviews. As you can see, I'm using the carousel template and I've got autoplay turned on. And we've got the summary here. Now the summary's just been added. We've just updated the plugin. So this is actually not on our sales page. There's no information about it, but I will update the sales page soon. Where are we? Google Reviews Pro. So now there's 2 things to go over here. The 2 API options. You've got 2 providers to choose from. Now our fee is just a one-off fee. You buy it and then you pay these guys monthly. So you can head over, you can either use Google API, the official API. This is currently limited to 5 reviews per business. Now, you as a business owner, I think you can go and get a business API or you have to go through some extra steps or something, and you can, as a business owner, demand, like basically say, I want to pull all my reviews. Now, by default, when you get the Places APIs, it's only going to let you pull 5, but I think you can jump through a few more hoops with Google, and they will let a business owner download all. But obviously, if you're doing a directory site or something like that later on, you would have to ask every business owner to do this, so it's not a great option, really. If you want to pull more than 5, that is. Now, if you want to pull more than 5, you can use the Outscraper. Outscraper is a scraping software, third party that we connect to via API. And Outscraper allows you to pull as many Google reviews as you want and all the images, etc. You can click here, go through to check out their prices. Their prices are very reasonable. We did a bit of research and made sure we found one of the cheaper options for you guys. Now, as you can see here, click here and use our referral link. You will get 25% off your first payment, and I think if we get a few of you, we get something back, maybe some credit or something. I'm not 100% sure. But feel free to use our referral link if you wish to and receive 25% off your first payment. How Outscraper works is you top up your account and then the money goes, and then you can keep topping it up, or you can get on the monthly subscription, I believe. So that's the 2 options available for you. Some, as you will see when you get down to the attributes of the shortcode, some things are only available to Outscraper, like the include the images. So those are the options. Now you've got field string here is required. So the field string can either be the place ID, which is the best one to use, which is your Google My Business place ID. If you don't know what that is, you can come down here, click this article, and it will tell you how to find it. So the place ID is the best one. Or you can use place name. If you use the place name, for instance, I'm going to put field string equals CODICTS. It's going to go and search the GMB Google My Business database for that name and then try and match an ID with it. Now, obviously, sometimes, for instance, I don't know. There might be multiple business pages on Google with very similar names. So unless you're putting in the exact name, it might not pick it up. Also, there might be multiple business pages for places with multiple locations. It might not select the correct location. So the place name is an option, but it's not going to work 100% of the time like place ID will. So those are your two options with the string side of things. Obviously, that's going to go and grab everything. I will need to update this with the new options we've got available. But I'm not going to go into that too much. This is going to keep getting updated. As you guys purchase it, we will keep updating. So the more purchases, the more updates are coming. A lot of people asking, can it do this? Can it do that? Can it do that? It can do what it can do at the moment. And obviously, we have a lot more planned for it. Sales goes towards developing the plugin further. That's how it works. So feel free, if you're interested in it and it's missing some features, go ahead and purchase it and send us an email. Let us know that you purchased it and the features that you're interested in, and we'll add those onto the list of things to possibly update it with later. And we're obviously going to keep going. We have a lot of plans for this plugin, so we're going to keep updating this one. So anyway, let's get into it. Once you've installed a plugin, you're going to end up with this new settings page. Now, as you can see, here is the shortcode, and here are the attributes that you can do, and just a little example of how you could use these attributes. This is where your Google Places ID will go, API key will go. Obviously, it's limited to 5. Which language? Catch request. So enable the catch. So obviously, it's not constantly pulling on that API and costing you a load of money. Catch every 24 hours. Clear all current API catch. This is if if you're debugging or whatever you're doing, or you're just testing things out and you want to clear what catch has already been stored, you can click this and save it. Then obviously you have your outscrape options again, which is going to have another API key, which we'll look at now. So again, API key, how many you want, put in as many as you want in there, and same options down here. So there's your options on the back end side of things. Now let's head over to the front end. I was just playing with CSS, and I'll show you how what are we on it? I'll show you how this is set up for a single business. So we'll go to the list view first, shall we? We'll have a look at the list view. This is how it works. Here's my shortcode. So this is my shortcode for the carousel, which is placed underneath. So as you can see, I've got my Google reviews feed. I've put in my place ID for the field name, template carousel, and autoplay set as true. That's what I've done for the bottom part. Now we have one more shortcode, which is the same again, but I have summary set. There we go, type summary. That's all I've done. So that's it. That's how you do it. The type summary will show your summary. The other shortcode will show that in whichever form you want, list, carousel, etc. That's how you do it. Very simple. Add your API keys, put the shortcode on the page where you want it. Job done. Obviously, this will auto update every 24 hours, every time the catch runs out. So you've got no need to keep doing anything. That's it. So obviously you can head over to CODICTS.com if you want to buy it, if you want to purchase the plugin. If you're a Voxel user, I'm going to go into more detail into it in another video now. So stay tuned for that one. That's it for this one, guys. Google Reviews Feed Pro. Also, don't forget, like always, join the CODICTS community Facebook group. Come in, ask some questions, help people out. Don't be shy. Say hello. Become a boss. And earn yourself some karma points. People will help each other. We'll get karma points. Karma points turns into free plugins. So that's it, guys. Thank you again. I'll see you in the next one.